Hey everyone, my name is Kevin. I'm the founder of Convert Labs, and thanks for signing up to Convert Labs. So in this video, I want to walk you through how to add in your business settings. And as a quick note before we get started, when you first create an account, this is the page that you'll see. This is a quick setup guide. So you can go through these different items here, and when you click on these blue buttons, it'll basically mark them as done. And when you go all the way through, you'll never see this page again. So you don't have to see this. And then instead, you'll be seeing your dashboard. So definitely go through these different pages, these different sections here, and go ahead and make sure you fill out things like, connect Stripe, create your website, etc. But first thing that we want to do is we want to add in our business settings. You can change these at any time, but you want to go here, click on Manage Settings. Otherwise, you can also click on this little drop down next to your company name. And under settings, if we click on that, this is what we want to fill out. As a quick note, it's also important to do this before you create your website because it will populate into your website. So things like a company name here, the country that you're in, this is going to help us denote, what currency to use, your company email, and then your company phone number. So if you're using OpenPhone, you could put your OpenPhone number in here. And this is how we're going to notify you of all the different notifications from a new booking to canceled bookings and everything in between. So make sure you have that filled out, as well as your logo. The logo here is going to go on things like your email. So the different email notifications that we send out. So make sure you put in your logo here. And then also your social media. This will help us put it inside of your website automatically on your footer. And then lastly, down here, if you want your metrics to be shown publicly on Convert Labs on the leaderboard, let us know just by clicking this here. Otherwise, you can turn it off and you'll remain anonymous. So that's about it for company settings. And then the other thing too is there's also staff accounts on this page. So you can create either admin accounts or staff accounts. And staff accounts just essentially hide your revenue numbers and other important information like that. But you can create as many accounts as you want with your Convert Labs account. So if you have any questions, reach out to the team. We're usually in chat on the bottom right, or you can send us an email, hello@convertlabs.io. If you need anything at all, reach out to us. We're always available. Thanks.